They have always had dangerous jobs, but first responders are facing a new level of risk these days. Mark Naymik tells us how they're coping.
Police officers, firefighters, and paramedics now confronting a new danger.
This is something unlike we've ever seen, honestly. This is a new threat that it's scary.
128 Cleveland residents have tested positive, and now 4 Cleveland EMS workers have the virus, joining fellow first responders here and across the country who are getting sick, helping those who are sick.
People in the field, it's nervous. Instead of worrying about themselves, they're worried about themselves and their family.
On the job, full respirators are available to EMS workers, but the spacesuit-like masks and coverings limit response time and mobility. Instead, they wear surgical masks over their more protective N95 masks. 6 Berea firefighters recently tested positive, their union not offering updates on their health. Nationally, incomplete statistics show nearly 900 firefighters have COVID-19, forcing nearly 3,000 into quarantine.
It's challenging because they're taking all the necessary precautions to keep themselves safe, and we're still seeing those numbers rise.
3 News has learned the Cleveland Fire Department has its first case, and isolating safely from their families, a rising concern for all first responders.
One of the biggest things we've been working on for over a month now is trying to get a quarantine facility, at least a short-term quarantine facility for members who either test positive or have been exposed to a known positive case of COVID-19.
Worried about the next 2 weeks, first responders want the public to heed their advice.
The more people actually quarantine themselves and actually do not go out unless they absolutely have to, the faster we can get this over and get back to normal life again.
Mark Naymik, 3 News.